And here she is, the main event, the moment, the main character, the princess of all bags, the latest addition to my pink bag collection. Hey gorgeous, my name is Christina and I love posting the girliest videos that I can possibly post. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video and hanging out with me because of course I'm here with something to show you. Coach may have sent me a text message last week. Not the kind of text message that I would want. I can't wait for the days that Coach is texting me for some PR. But until then, my delusional self is gonna think that they are speaking directly to me when they send me a text message. So they sent me this text message and they were talking about some candy vibes. Yes, I do like candy. So of course, I did order something. Two things actually. The moment is finally here. So girlies, do you remember last year when Coach dropped the pink bags that sold out in literally 24 hours? My little pink heart didn't stand a chance. We were all left heartbroken. But this time around, Coach did it again. And Coach, yeah, better stop playing with me and these fluffy, dusty bags. There's literally dust flying everywhere. I'm allergic to dust. Anyways, so they came out with pink last year that only lasted 24 hours. My little pink heart was broken and everybody across the United States, across the world, was heartbroken because they didn't get themselves a pink bag. And some of these ladies, very lucky, got like 5 pink bags. I couldn't even get one. I couldn't even get one. I had it in my cart and I was making sure that it was a responsible purchase. I was making sure that the funds were there, and as soon as I was ready to click checkout, sold out. So luckily, we've been granted a second chance. It's not the same pink, no, but a pink lover like me will take pink wherever they can get it. So I have this little something. And then I have the grand moment. I haven't seen these two options in person, like real life. So this is going to be a first reaction, first look to the pink that they came out with. I'm not sure if this is their Valentine's Day collection because they do have like some prints with candy and stuff. But if this is not their Valentine's Day collection and in 2 weeks they drop Valentine's Day, I am going to be so upset because I spent a pretty penny. We're gonna start with opening up the little sister. I had to get this one because when I really like something, I want to have everything that matches. So I just unpackaged this entire wallet and I realized that I wasn't even recording. Such a rookie mistake. But this is the pink. I think it is absolutely adorable. I am literally obsessed. Let me bring my light a little bit closer. So this is what we have working with. It's my first time seeing this pink in person and it is really cute. I love how the silver hardware pairs so nicely with this pink. I think that the two combinations together look so clean and I am just loving this aesthetic. I cannot wait to start wearing this bag. Honestly, this is a color that I could wear all year round because I'm a pink girly at heart. So this is just everything to me. And this is a detail that I just cannot get enough of. This little rainbow heart is just so cute and I love how it looks with the light pink. This detail right here is to die for. I'm a little bit upset that the bag that I chose did not have this little heart charm, but that's okay. I will have to just live with that. This little card case has 2 pockets here in the front and then it has a pocket on the side. You also get an ID window, 1 pocket there. And then when you open it, it is extremely spacious. Like I'm talking extremely spacious. I have seen other content creators put cash in here. Sometimes they put small little miscellaneous things like gum, lip gloss, hair ties, in addition to the cash. I have always wanted this little card case. I'm telling you, every single time I find it in a collection color that I like, it is sold out so fast. It will be linked below for you in the video if you guys like it. I'm obsessed with her. I also just realized what also comes with the zippered card coin pouch is this. I don't know why there's a microfiber cloth in the packaging, but I'm assuming because this is patent leather, maybe to clean it. I guess we will find out when we finish unboxing the main character back there, if this is supposed to be for the patent leather. And here she is, the main event, the moment, the main character, the princess of all bags, the latest addition to my pink bag collection. This is the Klare Crossbody. She is in the new pink patent leather that just came out. I'm obsessed. Every time I look at it, I just can't help but smile. This color is so cute. And she doesn't have any kind of a funny smell either, thank God. I just can't get enough. One of the reasons why I chose the Klare Crossbody bag out of everything that they had to choose from is that the Klare has been one of my favorites for a long time. I do have the mini Klare crossbody, and let me tell you, I love her so much. She just looks good with everything. And because I loved her so much, I really wanted her in a larger size. So I have had my eye on the Klare crossbody for a long time. Like, I'm talking maybe 3 years now that I've been looking for the Klare crossbody in a color that really spoke to me. And for a really long time, I wanted her in the brown colors. I love like the two-tone shades of brown, like the dark brown with the tan or light brown combinations. I think that those are so cute, and I feel like they're great for any season. But honey, you show me this bag in pink and think that I'm not gonna buy it? This bag was made for pink girlies everywhere. She is packaged so well. Like, every little nook and cranny of her is packaged. Has a cloth covering. I love it. You just cannot go wrong with Coach. Whether it's Coach Outlet or Coach Retail, you cannot go wrong. They do not miss when it comes to quality all the time. I'm obsessed. Look at the inside of this bag. Like, are you kidding me? I am obsessed. It's everything that I wanted. That little pull tab here. And then this is my favorite part. I think she's wrapped in a clear plastic, and I'm going to do just like my mini Klare. I'm going to leave the plastic on forever because I want her to look new for as long as possible. Look at our beautiful silver Coach hang tag. I love a beautiful metal hang tag from Coach. It was one of the reasons why I was so drawn to the Coach Klare. I don't know if any of the other Coach Outlet bags have a metal hang tag. It's just such a nice touch. I'll have this, and then maybe I'll get a custom hang tag from the Coach store with my initials or a special message engraved on it, or even a cute little charm from the Coach store that goes well with this bag. Having a metal hang tag just gives me so much more customization options for this side of the bag, because literally everything is going to look good with this. This is so neutral. The second thing I love about the Coach Klare crossbody is that, yes, it is crossbody, but then you can just wear it on your shoulder like this, and it is such a vibe for the summertime. You want to look like that, girl? You need to get yourself one of these. You have two medium-sized pockets here in the front. There is also a zipper compartment here, and then this pocket here, I would usually put my phone in here. This is so spacious. And then you have another pocket here. You could put lip gloss or a hair tie or some receipts back here. I'm obsessed with this, and I'm wearing this out tomorrow. Tomorrow I am wearing this bag. Yes, ma'am. So for references, this is my 17 Pro Max. And you can see that that fits so easily in the front pocket. And then that matching wallet that we have fits so easily right there in one of those middle compartments with plenty of room to spare. Like, are you kidding me? I just love this bag so much. I also love the inside lining. It looks like suede. It feels like suede. It is not suede. It is a fabric lining. Even though it is not a leather interior, it feels so nice and luxurious. It's okay. Coach does not miss, okay? The rest of the bag is leather. You have parts that are smooth leather, you have parts that are a signature patent leather, and the quality is definitely there. Now, as far as bag charms go, I, not intentionally, do have a bag charm for her already. I think maybe like a few hours or the day before I got the text message about Coach, I seen this, and obviously I was like, yes, give me that, please. The Valentine's Day collection from Velvet Caviar was released, and I think that this bag charm would be perfect on this bag. If it's not, no hard feelings. I have plenty of other bags, literally, that this can go for. I just think that it is going to be perfect. The Velvet Caviar bag charms do come with a little phone grip in case you want to attach your charm to your phone. I might be into that. Heavy on the might. I really want to see how it looks on the bag first, and then we'll see. No, this is going on the bag. This is going on the bag. Look how cute this is together. You cannot tell me that this is not perfection. Yeah, girlfriend. That is just way too stinking cute. Let me go ahead and turn my camera around so you can kind of get an idea of the actual color, because I'm seeing that it's not coming up on camera the way I see it here in person. So let's turn this thing around. Okay, this is a little bit better to show you guys how she's looking. I am literally just so obsessed with her. This charm that I got accidentally goes perfectly with this bag. I think it is just so cute, you guys. It is like the perfect pop of pink. Here is the inside of the bag. This is the little wallet that I had to go with it. It fits perfectly in here, and there's so much more room to spare. You have the inside here. There is a little, I left something in here. You have a pouch over here. Oh, look, I found another microfiber cloth. So this is to clean the bag. Okay, we're gonna leave that in there. And you have your little Coach Cares thing. I always leave that in there just in case, even though it's the same website every single time. You have another compartment here. You have the front compartment, which my iPhone 17 Pro Max just drops right in. No fighting, no fuss. And then the back of the bag, if you wanted to put your 17 Pro Max in there too, you can. It's a little bit more snug, but still no fuss, no fight to get it in there. Literally the most beautiful thing I have seen all month, and that says a lot because, you guys, I have seen some things this month. But I am so excited about this bag. She is literally to die for. Yeah. Well, happy Valentine's Day to everybody watching. Go ahead, girl, and treat yourself to a little something this Valentine's Day, because if you don't treat yourself, who will? So that concludes the video of the Coach Klare unboxing in the beautiful pink color. I'm obsessed. I'm going to get her ready for me to wear it tomorrow because she needs to go out on the town. My little pink heart is so happy that Coach gave us a second chance. It is not the powder pink collection. I do love that collection so much, but they did give us a second chance at a pink bag with this one right here. 10 out of 10. The quality of the Klare in this patent leather pink is just top notch, and the little heart detail that they're adding to these is just the cherry on top. It is just so cute. I can't wait to show her off. My boyfriend definitely did tell me that I do not need this bag, and when he sees this video on YouTube, he is going to be sitting there like, well, my mom, who also says that I don't need any more bags, was in the back like, yeah, Christina, gotta treat yourself. So I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing, and if you want to see what else is in here from the Valentine's Day collection with Velvet Caviar, you're gonna have to watch the next upcoming short for that. I'm literally gonna go run and record that right now because there's a lot of cute stuff in here, and I am definitely in the Valentine's spirit now that I opened up my little cute pink purse. So everything has to come together right now. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and leave a like down below and let me know if you are team pink on this new Coach collection, or are you going for one of the other pastel colors or the chocolate. Leave your thoughts down in the comments below. I would greatly appreciate hearing from you guys, and don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll never miss another girly chic video. Okay, bye.